What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back. Boo, let's go ahead and get it popping. So first of all, shout out to MintEye for sending me over some colored contacts to try out for you guys today. So of course, I'm going to be doing a close-up try on for you, and I'm going to leave my thoughts and review towards the end. So I'm gonna jump into the quick unboxing really quick because the unboxing is really cute and off the chain. So I want y'all to see this. Feel free to use the timestamps if you want to bounce around and get to certain points of the videos.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, come get it. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
All right, y'all. So now that we have, first of all, that unboxing was cute. I told y'all. But anyways, yeah. So the colors, very different, y'all. I was not expecting the colors to be what they were. I think that all of the colors, for the most part, were more so on the louder side of things, more on the bolder side of things, except for the last pair, which is the one I'm wearing right now, and I was also wearing in the intro, and that one is the Hawaiian green, the Hawaii green. I think these are the most natural out of all of them, right? So y'all know I have to take notes as I try them on in my handy dandy notebook and give y'all the truth, all right? So first of all, the elf green ones, I thought those were like super freaking cute. It had like a nice pastel look to it. It was like a creamy kind of green. I mean, it was called elf green. I was getting mint vibes out of it. Yep. And I'm like, the brand is called MintEye. I was like, is this called mint green? It wasn't, but it was very light, like a very pastel minty kind of green. It was actually very, very pretty. I did like that one. The LA Girl Blue was very loud and very bold, y'all. It was still pretty. If you're someone who likes bold colors, you like to stand out, that is definitely the one for you. Now, the LA Girl Brown was also very loud. This one was very pretty. The color was very different from what I'm used to. I was getting, it was like gold, but it wasn't like a deep gold. It was like very pastel, like a toned down golden color, but it was absolutely beautiful. I definitely liked the color. This one was also a loud color as well, y'all. So we are going in with the loud with these colors that we got today. The LA Girl Green, I love this one. This one had some dimensions to it. So on the inner part, I've noticed it was like a pastel kind of gold, and then we sipped into like a yellow green, and then the outer part was like an olive green. While all of it is still very pastel, none of those were like deep in colors, but it was very pretty, and I loved seeing the dimensions on it. So out of like the style and stuff, I like that one. I like how we had the dimensions and stuff going on. That one was giving me something. Did I say it was my favorite? Yeah, that one was my favorite. Now, the Hawaii Gray was definitely the boldest out of all of them. I feel like it was just standing out of all of them. Like, it was super out there. It kind of gave me like a silvery kind of look, like very crystal like it was super pretty. I haven't seen a color like that in my eyes before. It was very, very pretty. I did like that one for sure. And then lastly, like I mentioned, was the Hawaii Green, which is the ones that I have in now. I feel like these are the most natural ones. This one had like a yellow green center and a darker outer rim. These are the most natural out of all of them. They're the most muted, so it's not so noticeable that you're wearing color contacts, but it is giving you a little switch up. It's a little sexy color, so I do like this one. This one is the most natural out of all of them. So that is it. That covers my thoughts on each individual color. Y'all let me know what you thought about the colors in the comment section down below. Have you ever tried MintEye before? Yay or nay, sis? I want you guys to go ahead and check it out if you're interested in these colors. It will be linked in the order of which I tried them. So until then, I will see you guys in another video. Peace out.
My head up high, though I feel. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna